Silver Glen Springs. Really nice spring out here. It's beautiful. Gonna take a hike out to Lake George on the trail from here.
Videoing the trail?
Yep. Just a little bit.
Nice. Oh. You got it on?
Yeah.
I've got to walk back.
Look at that.
Yeah, it could be like a den for something.
Like a
There's a
bear.
little bit of water in there.
It's a natural bear den now. All right, we're off the Lake George Trail. We crossed the road. We're now on the Yearling Trail, heading out toward a big sinkhole and an old cemetery that's got a Civil War soldier in it. So onward.
And upward.
Yeah. All right, there's definitely bear track out here. We've been following this trail and seeing some.
And some
fairly fresh.
And some other evidence of bear.
Saw some bear dung, bear poop. Lots of berries and stuff in it. So it's time to be yelling out, "Yo bear! Yo bear!"
I'm not gonna be able to see that.
Here he comes. And there he goes.
They're majestic birds.
Yeah. On the Yearling Trail. Pretty cool habitat out here. Saw bald eagle, lots of scrub jays everywhere. Pine forest with a scrub underneath with a few larger oaks coming in, but see a lot of dead ones in here. Really nice trail. So we're walking along the Yearling Trail here, and Brad's eagle eyes spotted something up in that Spanish moss. A little face. It's a raccoon up there just curled up.
Rocky.
Yeah, he's up in the, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but
About 30
his
feet
face
off the
is
ground.
looking right at us. Pretty cute. All right, we'd arrived at the sinkhole. Pretty good little drop down in there. Yeah. All right, I'm in the bottom. I'm in the bottom of the sinkhole. These walls go up 40, 50 feet. And over there, at the very top, he decided to stay up there.
That's smart.
Yeah. I had to trudge to the bottom. So now I got to trudge all the way back up there. A little bit of a rope swing here. I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see what can go wrong.
Are we bothering your nest, little guy or girl?
Out here on the Yearling Trail, we came across this cattle dip that was from the 20s or 30s. You know, they built it a long time ago. It's long abandoned. Very interesting.